If you found this video helpful, or if you want to help support our channel so we can make quality content, please support us on Patreon. We'll have a link below. Thanks for watching. Super excited. Our new king size Lucid 16-inch mattress just came in. It did come in kind of beat up, but we're super excited about it because if you do the research, this one actually has some of the best specs out there. Let's see if we can get it there. 1 inch of bamboo and charcoal memory foam. 3 inches of ventilated gel memory foam, 2 inches of natural latex, and 10 inches of that cheap support foam. But right here, you got 6 inches of latex and memory foam, and this is going to give an amazing sleep. I used to sell mattresses for about 3 years, and a lot of mattress companies will give a fancy name. They will give fancy names to various products that don't do anything for your body. And I'm really excited about this because for what you get in the mattress itself, this is the best deal. This is the best mattress you can get for the money. This one here came in at $715, but comparable mattresses are going anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000. And a lot of the other mattresses that you see out there, like Casper and other things, they don't even have what this mattress has inside. They just have great marketing and a great name. But this is going to be great, and we're going to go ahead and show you the unboxing. Just got the LUCID mattress upstairs. This is the king size. We're getting a new bedroom set this week that's going to go here. And so I'm going to open it up and air it out because every time we get a memory foam mattress, my wife gets headaches and migraines because of the smell. So I'm getting ready to open it up. But I'll tell you what, I just got this thing upstairs by myself. It's a king size, and boy, is it a workout. It's super heavy, super bulky. The box completely fell apart trying to get it up the stairs. So I had to drag it right here. Had to drag it up here, almost ripped this, and it almost fell down the stairs. So I'm getting ready to open it up, see how well it opens and expands, and see if it actually expands quickly like the queen size we just bought last month. Now this is the 16-inch thick model. This one here has the memory foam and the latex. Looks like it pretty much instantly inflated. It is upside down. This is where the zipper is for the cover. But as you see, I open up the bag, pretty much instantly inflated. Let me flip it over and see how it looks. All right. You see it's got a pretty nice Damus cover here. Look at that. It's got the slow release memory foam. You can feel it, it feels really plush. Oh my God. And that feels nice. This is probably one of the nicest mattresses that I've ever felt. Like I said, last month we did get a queen size. But I'll go ahead and put the stats down below why this LUCID 16-inch memory foam and latex mattress is better than any of the other name brand mattresses that's out there right now, whether you're looking at the Casper or the Purple or the Nectar or any of those. This one here has better stats. It's plush, really, really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you about all the memory foam, the latex, and the firm foam below it. But yeah, this has a removable, nice damask cover. It's plush. You can feel the support of the latex, but you also feel the conforming of the memory foam. And this one also has the charcoal memory foam in there, charcoal and bamboo, so it actually helps against dust mites, against odors over time. And so really, really good stuff. Give us a big thumbs up. We'll show you the rest. Right here you can see this is all memory foam. Right here is the latex, and then this is the firm support foam on the bottom. But latex, memory foam, look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful sight.